If you have ever wanted to create your own songs without knowing how to sing, produce, or even own any musical instruments, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create original AI songs, how to generate lyrics, and real ways you can actually monetize and promote the sound. Let's
The
go.
AI platform we are going to be using is Suno AI, as you can see on my screen. Suno AI is a music generation platform that allows you to create original songs using text prompts or even your lyrics, okay? You can generate vocals, beats, or full songs in different genres like hip hop, gospel, afrobeat, or any of them, okay, even with no experience, okay? Note that Suno generates original composition, not copyrighted songs, which makes it suitable for content creation when used correctly. Okay, so the app we are using is Suno AI. So the next is to show you how you can create and generate
Step by step. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you how to curate your AI songs with Suno step-by-step method. Okay, so here is my Suno interface. After you must have logged in with your Google account or Discord account, just go to suno.ai and sign up with Google account or your Discord account. I will also try and leave the link on the description, or you can go to suno.ai and sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, you are going to see curate. Okay, then choose create. Once you choose create, you are going to see this here, simple mode, and then you're going to see custom mode. Okay, so simple mode is where you can just put the prompt, put any prompt of your choice, and any prompt of the song you want to generate, and they're going to generate everything for you. Okay, while the custom mode is where you are just going to type in the lyrics of the song, and then is going to create for you. So I'm going to still show you how to get a prompt and also how to create your lyrics as we go down the video. Then the next step is for you to choose the style. You can go and come down here and still style. Here what you have to do here is for you to write whether it's an Afrobeat, is emotional, hip hop, gospel music, any type of song. Just make sure you choose it well. Okay, be more specific with your description. Okay, the more specific you are, the better the result. Okay, so once you are done with that, the next thing is put the title of the song, which is optional, and then you hit generate. Okay, so but before we do all this, our let's go ahead and generate our prompt. So we are going to head over to ChatGPT right now. Click on ChatGPT. So once you go to ChatGPT, come down here and type in your prompt, and then ChatGPT will give you the lyrics of the song you want to create. Alright, so here now in ChatGPT, we are going to generate our lyrics, and we are going to just put a simple prompt into ChatGPT, and it's going to generate 100% original lyrics for us. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and type in this right now. I've copied my prompts. You can go ahead and read it. Write original song lyrics for an upbeat Afrobeat song about chasing success and never giving up. Use simple English, catchy hooks, and positive vibes. Avoid referencing real artists and copyrighted songs. Okay, so these are just a simple prompts, and ChatGPT can actually also give you prompts. Then you can copy this prompt also and put. It's going to help you generate it. Okay, let's go ahead and generate the lyrics of this song. Okay, so you're going to tell ChatGPT keep the lyrics simple, avoid mentioning real names, use universal themes like motivation, love, hustle, and faith. Okay, so once the lyrics has been generated, okay, you can see the lyrics of these songs. You can see the title, Never Slow Down, intro, yeah, yeah, the chorus, and everything. Okay, so let me go down. You can see had first one, pre-chorus. So I'm going to copy this now, and then we head back to our Suno to generate our song. Okay, so this is how it works in ChatGPT, how you generate your lyrics in ChatGPT. You can also generate prompts in ChatGPT too. All right. Okay, so the next step is for us to come over to Suno AI and paste our lyrics. Remember, we are using the custom mode Okay, we are using the custom mode, so make sure it's in custom mode when you are dealing with lyrics. So come over here and paste the lyrics you generated from ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my lyrics. Okay, so once you paste it, go ahead and choose your style. So what style should we give this? This is a motivational. Okay, so let me go ahead and write motivational. Okay, it's motivational. Should I add hip hop? So just make sure you give good style for you. So the more specific you are in your style, the better the results. So next thing is for us to put our song title. Okay, so the title of this song, let me go back to ChatGPT. The title of this song is Never Slow Down. So let's go ahead and do that. Never slow down. So that's the title of my song. So I'm going to hit create. All right, our music is creating now. So once I finish generating my music, okay, I'm going to go ahead, listen to the song, download it, and the next step is to show you how you can actually monetize this. So right now, I already have my music. Okay, I was giving, let's see how many. So I'm going to listen to all these, about 4. So I'm going to listen to all these and then choose the one I want to choose. Remember, there is a free version of this. Okay, you can also use the free version of this. So let me go ahead and play this. Let's see the outcome.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sunrise to sunset, we move, yeah. I dey hustle every day, never slow down. Dreams on my mind, I'm
Man,
gon' hold
this
ground. Even
music
when the
is
road
banger.
rough,
Let's
I
see the
stay strong.
second one. Let's see.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, yeah. Sunrise to sunset, we move high. Yeah, I dey hustle every day,
Okay,
never
so this
slow
is
down.
actually how you can generate this song. So we are going to go ahead and download this right now, and the next step is to show you how to monetize this. All right, so let's go ahead and download it. The next step is to download our music. Okay, just go ahead and right click, or you can just, if you're using phone, click on it and then head over to download, then download it as a wave audio. Click on download as a wave audio. It's going to go ahead and download on your device. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and download all of them because I think I actually love all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and download them. Okay, so let's do that, and the next step is to show you how to monetize this. Now let's talk about the realistic monetization options for this AI songs. Number one is YouTube monetization. All you have to do is upload your AI songs with visuals or lyrics, then you can monetize with YouTube ad revenue, and make sure you always label it as AI generated original music. Okay, so this is good for a long-term passive income. Number two, use it as TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, or Facebook reels. Use the sound as your background sound. Create motivational clips with the sound and let others reuse your sound. Okay, this gives you a fast exposure and also a viral potential. Number three is to sell as a stock music. Here you earn when creators use your sound. So what do you have to do? Upload to audio stock platforms, sell your instrumentals or vocal track. Here, one sound can actually get you multiple buyers, and it's also ideal for YouTubers and also use as ads. Number four is to offer custom AI songs. You can become a freelancer with this. Okay, turn your AI music into services. Okay, services like intro songs for YouTube channels, podcast background music, or you can offer it to brands or promo jingles. Okay. The last one is social media promotion. Okay, build an audience around your AI music by post your song daily, share behind the scenes of creation, and grow followers by selling dates. Audience equals long-term income. So the last part of this is dealing with copyright and policies, okay? Policies of YouTube or Facebook or any other app where you are posting it to, okay? So number one is always make sure you post original lyrics, okay? Generate your lyrics yourself. Make sure it's original lyrics. Then number two, don't imitate any artist's voice or their styles. Don't imitate any artists. Then number three, do not recreate existing songs. Don't recreate existing songs. Number four, always label content AI generated. Make sure you always label your content. Then number five, make sure you follow Suno usage terms, okay? Make sure you follow their terms. When this is done properly, your content will remain copyright free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure you like and subscribe for more AI tools and online income content. If you want prompts for generating your lyrics, just type in AI songs in the comments. I'm going to give you that.